First run on the parts 5000 BTU EQK. That's going doing it. Its fan motor and blades set to this, because this unit is done. But for shits and giggles, let's see if the motherfucker will fire up. Yeah, of course it does. The fan motor isn't sealed. There's just a fucking bird nest blocking it. It's trying. How the fuck has it got Freon in it? There's nothing left to this thing. That's going. That's going. The compressor's just like hanging out. Still got a badge and emblem at least. Where's the fan? There's that bird nest on it. Trying. That thing's cold the whole way through. How? Trying. I'm gonna turn the compressor off. Try to get the fan to go. Come on. You can power through it, because I'm not taking this thing apart. There it goes. Compressor ain't ready to kick back on yet. This one runs. It has charge, but I don't know if y'all see that fan blade is somehow shattered, and it sees solid. Probably from being near the salt water for 40 years. That thing's kicking off now. There it goes. Let's see. Cold.